Today, as Saint Lucia joins the global community in observing World MSME Micro, Small and Medium-Sized Enterprise Day 2026, we triumphantly celebrate the courage, resilience, and invaluable contributions of our entrepreneurs. Innovative men, women, and young people who have recognized a need or opportunity and sought to provide us with viable solutions and alternatives to persistent challenges. Often they do so at significant personal and financial risk. They are the stubborn dreamers who persevere despite the initial hurdles and resistance. Those who seek to be their own bosses, trading the consistency and security of a regular 9-to-5 job for the uncertainty that comes with the freedom of self-employment. This year, we reflect on the centrality of humans in entrepreneurship within the context of a world bent on the mass adoption of artificial intelligence, or AI. While technology continues to transform the way we do business, people remain our greatest asset. Artificial intelligence is reshaping industries across the world. It is changing how we market products, manage inventory, communicate with customers, analyze trends, and improve efficiency. Yet, no algorithm can replace the creativity of an entrepreneur, the trust built between a business and its customers, and the undiluted passion of a small business owner determined to make ends meet. We understand that the future of MSMEs will not be defined by technology alone. It will be defined by how we use technology to empower people. Currently in Saint Lucia, we are investing in human-centered entrepreneurship by ensuring that our entrepreneurs, workers, and future business leaders are equipped with the tools, skills, and opportunities needed to compete effectively in an increasingly digital and connected world. We have embraced AI not as a replacement for human talent, but as a partner that can help us work smarter, reach new markets, improve productivity, and create higher value products and services. As we look to the next generation of MSMEs, we must encourage our young people to become creators, innovators, and problem solvers. The businesses of tomorrow will require digital skills, adaptability, strong storytelling to enhance product differentiation, adherence to quality standards, and a commitment to upskilling and continuous learning. The government continues to provide much needed support measures to strengthen our MSME sector. Through targeted training sessions, business registration drives, the MSME Loan Grant Facility, product development initiatives, market access programs, export readiness support, and ongoing plans for a production and innovation center, we are systematically creating pathways for businesses to grow. These developmental initiatives are tangible investments in people, ideas, and economic opportunity. Building a stronger MSME ecosystem is not solely the responsibility of the government. Consumers are also critical in this whole realm of things. Every purchase is an economic decision. Every dollar spent locally supports jobs, strengthens families and communities, and keeps more wealth circulating within our economy. As local businesses continue to improve product quality, packaging and labeling standards to meet regional and international requirements, we encourage consumers to shop smart and shop local. When you choose Saint Lucian products and services, you will help improve our trade balance, strengthen our productive sectors, and create opportunities for local businesses to expand beyond our shores. Let us celebrate the businesses that breathe life into our communities. Visit your favorite local outlets. Support a local entrepreneur. Discover a new Saint Lucian product and share your experience with others. Let us showcase the excellence, craftsmanship, creativity, and potential that exists right here at home. On this World MSME Day, let us resolve to build an economy that is innovative, inclusive, and people-centered. One where technology serves humanity, entrepreneurship creates opportunity, and local businesses continue to strive in Saint Lucia, the region, and the world. Happy World MSME Day 2026.